Good morning and thank you. To our school principal, Mrs. Marilu A. Madalagdog, level assistant principals, Dr. Eva D. Orpilla, Mrs. Mary Wildy B. Amores, Mrs. Maria Teresa E. Hermanza, and Mrs. Julie Ann J. Riveros. Subject coordinators, faculty and staff, guests, parents, and learners. A pleasant morning to one and all. When I was young like you, I started to explore the world. I observed my surroundings, listened to different people, and followed what my teachers had taught me. I learned that we are capable of learning on our own. Growing up, it was not easy for me to study. I needed to do many things that I thought were beyond my capabilities. However, with the help of my friends, parents, and teachers, I was able to overcome all challenges despite that they were difficult. We will face many tasks ahead because this is a part of our growth. Our world may not be understood by many of us, but we will slowly discover its meaning and our purpose in life. Let us just enjoy every moment that we have with our friends, families, loved ones, and teachers. Also, let us thank God Almighty for His blessings, love, and mercy. He is the reason why we are all here right now. Our success in kindergarten is a gift from Him. Likewise, let us thank our parents for their support. They always provide everything that we need every single day. Lastly, let us thank our teachers who are always there to guide us to our success. Congratulations, our kindergarten completers. May all of us cherish this very moment and keep these achievements in our hearts and minds as we move forward. Keep the excellence in us and continue to be lifelong learners. Thank you.